Okay, so just took long in euro at this little area, and just to show you the trade, this was a little base on this 5-minute chart, and a little bit I think, yeah, much more clear on the 15-minute chart. And the stop has opened just here at, I think it's minus 14 pips, so I'll just put up my stop in minus 14, and uh, very clean extension into my level. Actually, it did stall in a little bit, right, as you can see, right, this area. So this might pose a little bit of uh, problem for my first take profit, which is something in here. So I think I'll just I- uh, I'll just keep a limit at for 60% of my position right in here, and let's see, not a higher probability trade, because the liquidity has been very thin for the last few trading sessions because of the new year and stuff. So looking for a swing trade for long euro in this, and much more preferably in this little area. So just to show you in the 1 hour, just to show you the 1 hour chart, this is the same sort of price relationship. This is the base which move, this is the data point, and let's see if it does get there. But so far, just looking to clip this position out in this area. I think it's 14 pips. So um, let's see how this goes. Okay, so out of this position fairly quickly, and you can see it hit my level, responded a little bit, and straight uh, into next pockets and hitting my stop. And I was actually looking to bail this position out when this took the low, when this candle took the low, and but just didn't, hoping that it will come a little bit deeper and I could bail out. So generally, the idea of the trade was actually to clip this, clip most of this position out here, because it was pre-London Open trade, and I thought that London Open would provide a little bit of volatility to be, you know, to at least get to this level and might continue, but uh, didn't happen. So I think overall what I take from this trade is poor management. I think I should have bailed it right in here, but I didn't. So what's that? Okay, so you can see pound extending into my level. Okay, so I think I'm interested in this. Sec. Okay, so long in pound right now, as you can see, the trade turned up in front of you again. So I was looking at this long, and the stop has. I'll just open the stop something in this area. I think. Let's check the entry. So we entered pound in this area. It says 19635, and just let's to measure 19635 as that. It's here. So let's open up a stop at around, so let's give it a little bit of breather to 20 pips. So let's see, we are opening the stop at around 20 pips, and let's see. So it's very nice to see this trade come up on live recording, and let's see. I think I'll just clip this position out something in at 40 or 30 or 40 pips, a fairly wide stop for a dated, but you can see the magnitude of the move into the levels. So let's see how this one goes. But as far as euro is concerned, I think we are done with that trade, and as discussed, I'll just look for lower levels in euro as well, something in here as discussed previously. As far as the pound goes, let's see how this guy goes. Okay, so I just missed this, and actually I'm taking another long at something in here, I think, and just to take this I think that's a small just a small stop position. So I'll just take the position here and open up a stop at 10 pips, because if it does makes if it does makes through this particular, then it's most likely will try to get here. So which is much more which I think carries much more probability. So let's see how this goes, and we'll just to open up a stop at I'll just open something at around 10 pips. So let's see how this guy goes. Just don't want to give this much any more room to breathe. So let's see. And as far as the pound trade goes, it's working right now. So you can see it came deep into our level, and this is a 5-minute chart. And I have kept a limit for a little bit of the position, because I think it can draw further back into. So just a 20, I think it's around 20% of the position at 21 pips. To show this guy this is here, so you can see it's currently building the pressure right now. It's still building the pressure right now. So if it doesn't gets to this area, then I think most likely it will take our stop. So for which we could wait for a deeper level in here. So let's see how this one goes. As far as you is concerned, yeah, I'm in, and I think I'll just scale something out at this little guy here, and something in here. So let's see. I think just one more point, that since it came quite deep into our level, I think I'll just move something. Okay, just to wrap up this video, barely a string of losses for me right now, because I actually went long in this area. It's on the video. I again went long in this area, which I got stopped right in here. Very heavy price action right now. So yeah, and I distributed my loss for my level. So already in the starting of the video, I told this is a low probability level and this is a much high probability level. But I really thought that the price would really hold here, but instead it just washed me out. So that's okay. I think just overall allocation risk for this pair was 1, and took 0.25% in here, 0.25% in here, so down 0.5 for the day. And just to show the pound, so yeah, I was out in pound too. I actually was thinking about initially when I took the long on the video, I thought about putting a stop just below here at the for this trade, but I did put a stop in here at -20, which got taken out, and I went sorry, it was here. So then I went in long again here, and I decided I don't want to risk full in here. So I put half the risk in here and half the risk in this area. So and clubbed these two levels and opened up a stop right in here. So still in this trade, didn't get taken out initially, and still waiting for the result in this video, and let's see how this one goes. But I think we could really see a little bit of stalling right now, sideways price action, because we have really moved we have moved really one-sided. And let's see how this trade goes. To show this position still long in pound and here, uh, and let's see how this goes as far as euro is concerned. I'm staying away from it, because I think that we could really come down into these, I think, more stable areas. So you can see a little stall in here, a little stall in here, but overall I think we could get in this block. Yeah, let's see.